we're going to be doing another DIY for you guys. If you follow my Instagram at Budget Barbie Doll, you'll see my last post I put on there, how to make these slides with the fur on them. And today I'm going to be showing you what you need and how to actually make these. So all of the supplies that you're going to need are, of course, a glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, boas. Now you can get these at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby was the only place I could find them. Michael's, I guess they don't carry them anymore, but I know Joann's also carries them. And I heard that Joann's has a bigger supply or variety than Hobby Lobby does, but I got black and white because I already made my pink ones. And you also need a pair of slides. Now, I got my slides at Target because they were on clearance, and I think I gave $4 for them, also for the pink ones. And you know, they've got like this design on them, but you're not going to see that anyways once you put the boa on there. So really cheap craft again, just like before. I think total altogether it's probably like 10 bucks at most. Anyways, so if you want to keep watching, you like what you see, please hit that like button below and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm not going to talk through the whole thing. I'm just going to give like a little tutorial on what to do. So you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to start on the side here and you're going to run some glue. Not a whole lot, but enough to make it stick. Then take the end and you're just going to place it onto the glue. Try not to burn your fingers because you definitely will with the glue gun. And you're just going to press the boa down onto the shoe until you can feel like the inner part of it like it's sticking to it, and it'll start sticking rather fast. I can't tell you how many times I've burnt my fingers. It's been quite a bit, but that's the occupational hazard of a crafter, I assume. Okay, so next you're going to go up the front and then around the side, and then you're going to go back again. You're just going around the edge of the whole slide part. Now, if you want to do different colors, again, you're going to clip the tail off. And these boas are 6 foot long. And on my pink ones, I did use 2. So each one of these has 6 foot boa on it. So I wanted to try doing like different colors. So I'm going to somehow put the white in here, but I think I'm going to save it till last and just clip off little pieces and put them on there like that. So I'm just going to go around, and you're just going to keep going in a circular motion until you get like a swirl and get all the way to the center. And if you don't want to do the swirl, you can also go like up, down, up, down, up, down. But I think it's easier to go around in a circle all the way to a swirl, because then you don't have to bend the boa as much. So I'm going to continue making these and I will be right back. Okay, so I have finished. Ooh, look at the feathers fly. There's a lot of feathers coming off right now, but once you trim them up, the feathers won't come off as much. So you have a choice. You can either leave them fluffy like this, and I decided to do the black and the white. I thought it looked kind of different. But I like to trim mine, so what you're going to do is obviously be over a trash can. I'm definitely going to have to vacuum my office now. But you're going to go around and you're going to trim the bottoms. That way you're not stepping on any of the feathers. And then you'll just go around and shape the feathers. Cut off a little bit of the ones at the toes. And yeah, so just keep trimming them up to the size you want, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm finished. Okay guys, so I am all finished, and this is the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say hi to Richard. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, kittens.